Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go the question. 0 equals to x negative k times 7x positive t negative x negative k. In the given equation, k and t are positive constants. A solution to the equation is a negative 22 over 7. What is the value of t? We can use Desmos to get the value of t. For that, I have to give this equation as input in Desmos. When I give this equation as input in Desmos, instead of equal sign, I have to use a tilde sign. And for x, I have to use x1. Okay, now let me take this equation as input in Desmos. There is 0, then we have to take tilde sign, then x1 negative k times 7 times x1 positive t, then I have to take negative sign, then we have x1 negative k. And also we have to take input for the information, that is k and t are positive constants. That is k is greater than 0, and also t is also greater than 0. That is t is greater than 0. Okay, now we have to consider the other information, that is your solution to the equation is negative 22 over 7. Actually, this is the value of x, but here when I go to Desmos, this is the value we have for x1, because we have taken x1 for x. Okay, now let me give this one as input, that is x1 equals to negative 22 over 7. Here I got the value of t, that is 23.